When you first start to use Ven by Audientis, you'll need to complete a hearing test. Make sure you're in a quiet place before you start the test. The hearing test usually takes approximately 10 minutes to complete. In rare cases, it can take up to 30 minutes. There are two ways to take the hearing test. You can either use the Audientis app, or if you prefer, you can simply use your Ven headset. To perform the hearing test using the Audientis app, you must first download the app from Google Play or the App Store, or you can scan the QR code on page 13 of the quick guide included in the box. Once you've downloaded the app on your smartphone, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your device and to perform your hearing test. To perform your hearing test using just your hearing aid, place the device around your neck and the earpieces in your ears. Turn on your Ven by pressing and holding the on-off button for a couple of seconds. Press and hold the hearing test button for at least 1 second. Your hearing test will now begin. Throughout the test, you will hear different tones in each ear. Each time you hear a tone, quickly press any button on the headset. The hearing test is finished when you have completed the test in both ears. If you need to stop the hearing test before it's finished, press and hold the P button. You'll know the hearing test is complete when you hear a musical tone. This means that you have successfully completed your hearing test. Ven is now ready and tailored to your individual hearing profile in both ears. Ven, let the world in.